Every time I talk about creating apps using artificial intelligence, a lot of people ask me, does this only work for simple projects, or can you actually create something really modern, like a startup would? Well, today I'm going to answer that question in a practical way. In this video, I'm going to show you how it's possible to create an app concept using Dualight. The idea is to show how to turn a real product concept into a modern digital experience using AI, no-code, and professional design. But first, subscribe to the channel. And to watch the videos without ads, just click the join button. Deal? So, let's get to the video. Dualight is a no-code platform focused on creating modern digital experiences. It allows you to develop websites, landing pages, and interactive applications with visuals way above average without writing a single line of code. The main strength of Dualight is its focus on real projects. In addition, Dualight has been incorporating artificial intelligence not only to generate content, but also to speed up design, structure, and interaction decisions. This makes the tool much more interesting for those who want to test product ideas, create MVPs, or present app concepts in a super professional way. And this is exactly the scenario that matches the idea of the app we're going to show here today. Well, the concept of this app is quite simple, but very much aligned with the behavior of Generation Z. The idea is to create an investment app that makes building wealth more accessible, social, and intuitive. And why not? With a super modern interface. Well, guys, today I want to introduce you to Dualight.dev. I'll leave the link right here in the description of this video. And one of the coolest things about this tool is that you can build a project from scratch or take advantage of these templates that are available here. So, if you have any difficulty, you have several templates here that can be used and adapted according to your project. So, let's go. After clicking the link that will be down here in the description of this video, you will log in with your Google account and then you can start using the tool right away. So, you can see that everything here is very simple. Here I have my prompt field, where I will type my idea. I can choose which language I will use to create my application. So, here I have single-page sites, modern web applications, mobile apps, and standard. Listen to what they say here. Choose any of the presets that best fit your use case. If you're not sure, select standard, which is this one here. So, I'll leave it on standard here, I'll select it and continue. Here and more, you can integrate with a custom API or even add rules to your project. It's also possible to import a repository from GitHub. So, when you click here, it asks you to connect to the platform, and from that moment on, you can take your repository and bring it here to Dualight. Another amazing feature is the connection to Supabase. What is Supabase? It's that platform that manages databases. So, if you want to build an app that needs this feature, just click here and then you'll connect with your Supabase account and use a database powered by artificial intelligence. In addition, you can import your project from Figma by clicking this button here. Once again, just connect with your account and bring your project over here. And as I mentioned at the beginning, you have several templates here that can be used, and then you can customize them according to what you want to create. Before continuing, I'll switch to Portuguese. The translation is already available, which makes it easier. Let's begin. I'll use this prompt to build my app. An investment app aimed at Generation Z, which makes wealth building simple and social, offering smart portfolios, quick insights, and goal-based investments for the next generation. I'll copy my prompt here, paste it, and ask Dualight to create it. Also, an important detail. If you think your prompt isn't good enough, just click here on Enhance. What will happen? The artificial intelligence will take your idea and improve it. So, sometimes it's really worth it because we don't always know how to ask AI for something. Just look at how much better my prompt got. Develop an application today. A responsive investment application focused on Generation Z using React, TypeScript, and CSS. Adopt a mobile-first approach with a modern, vibrant, and gamified aesthetic. So, what used to be 3 or 4 lines became a complete prompt. Once that's done, just send it. Done! It has already finished creating my app, and look how interesting this is. I have a very modern interface here, quite different from what you get with other AI tools on the market today. Here I have access to all the code. Everything is available here in case I want to edit it or take it to another tool. To view my app, you can do that within the platform itself by clicking Preview here. Then I can see how it will look on the computer, on the tablet, and also on the cell phone. It's available here so I can view it properly. Back on the computer, I can see the step-by-step of everything the AI did to deliver this result. So let's test it to see if it's working properly. Look, the stock market is unpredictable. I'm going to click on continue, then it moves forward here on the timeline. Look at this. Welcome to the Investify experience. It brings up Brazil's country code here, asks me to enter my cell phone number, and then it will send me the code so I can access the tool. Done, code sent, I'll type it in and I can start using my site. Imagine, more than 10 million simulations, 1 billion data points analyzed, 50 years of combined research, all working on your portfolio. I'll click here now to explore the products. I unlock the world of trading algorithms, stock baskets, market signals, and stock ideas. I'll click to discover more and go to another page. Return on 100K invested historical performance comparison over the last 5 years. Then it shows the comparison here with Ibovespa and here with Investify. And now I'm going to create my account. With database integration, I just need to fill out the form here. Done. Registration completed. Take a look. Select your wealth management style, long-term wealth, options trading. I'm going to select long-term wealth and finish the setup. Look how cool. Level up your account by connecting your brokerage. And then it showed me some brokerages here. XP Investimentos, BTG Pactual, Rico, Clear, New Invest, and Agora. If I want, I can connect now or connect later. I'm going to choose to connect later, and that's it. I finished setting up my investment app. Everything is working perfectly, as you could see. Here I have my profile, investment, trading, market updates, investment options here, switch to investor mode. My portfolio, my stock basket, investment indexes, and also here, the market signals. Did you get it? I had a simple prompt. I asked AI to improve this prompt for me, and then it coded and gave me this result here. Then if I want, I can download the code for this app by clicking here on the download button. I'll save the zipped file here to my PC. Or, if not, I can click here on Publish, and then I'll connect to Netlify, which is a platform that will help me publish my app. So I make this connection here. I need to have an account there on Netlify, and from there I can publish my app. So, without leaving Dualight, I have the whole ecosystem available so I can think, develop, and create my app without writing a single line of code. Try it out using the link in the video description. You can interact with AI for free with up to 5 messages. They give you some credits here so you can get to know the platform. There are other plans here that make a lot of sense, especially if you work with this and want to make money with artificial intelligence. Cool, right? This example makes it clear that Dualight is not just a tool for creating websites, but an environment for shaping product ideas. Creating a simple app concept with artificial intelligence becomes much more feasible when you have a tool that takes care of both the visual experience and the structure. So if you work with startups, marketing, digital product creation, or simply enjoy testing ideas with AI, Dualight is a platform that's really worth exploring. The link is in the description so you can learn more about the tool, okay? See you in the next video. Bye.